Trouble looms as United States raised security alarm over the safety of its citizens in Nigeria. Obviously, the lingering security challenges in Nigeria has now become an area of focus for the United States Nigerian mission. Due to the rising crime rates in the country, especially in this festive season where kidnapping, armed robbery, etc. is reigning, the US Embassy in Abuja and Consulate General in Lagos have sent out a press release reminding United States citizens to exercise caution while traveling and residing in Nigeria. It says Boko People organization and individuals inspired by extremist ideology exist throughout Nigeria. According to the release on their official website dated Wednesday, 16th December 2020, and titled Holiday Security Alert, it is highly recommended that their citizens exercise particular caution during the holiday session and at holiday events. The release also made them mention of soft targets to be avoided by its citizens, as their security is of topmost priorities to the United States government. Places like hotel, restaurants, shopping centers, airport clubs, places of worship, transportation hubs, street markets, and other public venues frequented by Westerners are common attack targets, the statement reads. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, are you a US citizen here in Nigeria already? I'm afraid you are not safe. You are not safe. I tell you. Please and please and please and please, you need to be careful. Do you understand? Please take note of this that I'll be saying to you right now. 1. Be aware of your surroundings. 2. Keep a low profile. 3. Carry proper identification. 4. Stay alert in public places and locations frequented by Boko People Westerners. 5. Review your personal security plans. 6. Use caution when driving at Nigeria and avoid walking after dark. 7. Always drive with your windows rolled up and doors locked. 8. Review and alter travel routes and times to reduce time and place predictability. 9. Avoid large gatherings and protests. 10. Exercise caution if unexpected in the vicinity of large gathering or protest. You know why? Because Nigerians have been condemning the US mission over the release. A tweet said US mission inciting violence and fear in people's mind is immoral. You can see? It shows you are not a true progressive friend of Nigerian, but a pretender. What about you clean up the house first? Wow, this is quite interesting. My viewers, um, permit me to still go through some other uh, topics, some other some comments concerning this news to impress you, because we have a lot of people talking here and they are not happy. Look what this very person is saying. He said, you people are very stupid. Mhm. You want your citizens saved. Why we Nigerians are dying? Can't you people come to our rescue? No, my dear. Americans are not stupid. Do you understand? They are not stupid. They are only playing their own role. The governments of Americans are only playing their own role. It is we Nigerians that are stupid. Our government is stupid. We have a very stupid and useless government. And some of us are very stupid. People like those in the northern region. Many of them are stupid. Look at what happened when the Americans almost lost one citizen, a citizen that was kidnapped by Boko people. What did the Americans did? Immediately they sent the Navy SEALs, and within 24 hours the person was rescued. So that is their responsibility. They are carrying out their responsibility. The government appreciates their appointment and this and went on to carry out their responsibility without being told. But we on our own side, we voted someone in by giving him a responsibility, and and their responsibility is our life and properties, of which indirectly we happen to be their employer and we pay them. And at the end of the day, they don't carry out their responsibility. Who is to be blamed? My dear, not them, please. Try to understand this news. All right? This one said, I want to use this opportunity to beg US government under he said under administration of Trump and Biden to rescue Nigerians from this insecurity, and I strongly believe that God will use US to fight the battle. Please let us do it together to achieve the common goal. Long live America. Oh, you see that? This one is now talking. This is the person that is now talking. This is the person that is now talking. You see that there is no way we can do it alone. We need help. We need support. We need assistance. So that is why we are saying that we should reach out to international observers, international country like the US to support us with their army to put an end to this insurgency. All right, thank you, my viewers, and your many comments. I'm very grateful. Well, this is why we need each other. This is why we need our contributions through this channel, and this is why I keep saying that your contributions in these channels are very important. All right, so please, my viewers, deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.